Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install raw Accel for your PC. So first of all, open a browser and you just need to write raw Accel doc and click the link by GitHub, raw Accel/doc/guide. Click that particular link, then go to release page here, look for the latest version here and download raw Accel v1 or depending on what basically it was, if it was updated or not, but you just need to click on the zip file and download it to your PC. Next up, what you need to do here is to right click on it, extract all, extract. Then you should see raw Accel here. Then you need to go to installer.exe, press yes. And as you can see here, install complete. Basically after that, you need to restart your computer in order to raw Accel work. And after you restart your computer, go back to raw Accel here, raw Accel, and then you need to press on raw Accel exe, not the installer, okay? And as you can see here now, I was able to open raw Accel. So if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.